the darker ring on the outer edge of the pupil area, if there's a ring all round, and especially if it's thick like in this photo, then there's a chance that your blood sugar is high. Can iridology detect pre-diabetes? That is an interesting question, and something we always often get asked in our clinic. So before I carry on, please remember to subscribe to our channel and give us a thumbs up on this video so that we can reach a wider audience. So to answer the question, can iridology detect pre-diabetes? The answer is yes. Now, when we take eye photos like this, we are one of the only practitioners that we know of where we actually do iridology, which is the colored part of the eye. And we also look at the pupil, this one, and also the whites of the eye, which is called sclerology. You can find out more about sclerology in some of our other videos that we've done in the past. So in iridology, or rather the pupil, you can see in this pupil, there is like a darker ring on the outer edge of the pupil area. And this is the sign of either you're diabetic or pre-diabetic. The darker ring on the outer edge of the pupil area, if there's a ring all round, and especially if it's thick like in this photo, then there's a chance that your blood sugar is high because of unprocessed sugars in the body. So when we see this, when we see these sort of markings in the pupil area especially, then we won't actually be able to tell whether you've got diabetes, but we can actually suspect that you may have diabetes or be pre-diabetic. And when we see that, we will encourage you to actually have a actual blood test to confirm our findings, and also to review your lifestyle in terms of whether what you're doing, what you're consuming. If you're consuming a lot of or any white rice, white flour, white sugar, or all the white stuff, white processed stuff that are found easily in breads, in pizza, in cakes, in biscuits, then you need to review that lifestyle as well, because that could be leading you to become either pre-diabetic or diabetic. So I hope you found this video useful. Remember to give us a thumbs up. And also wanted to share, in case you're not already aware, we have published this book called The Diabetes Solution, a 28-day action plan for lowering blood sugar naturally. So if you're concerned about being pre-diabetic or if you're diabetes, then I recommend you get this book. It's available on Amazon. The link is in the comments below as well. It's really a very, very interesting book. We've got lots of positive comments from it, for positive feedback from readers who have actually read the book. Now, what they love about this book is it includes some recipes as well, diabetic friendly recipes that are still also yummy and nutritious. And the other comment we've got is we've deliberately put this in fairly large print, so it makes it very easy reading as well. It's 341 pages. However, you see that it covers a lot of things, from the food that you eat, the environment that you're in, the mindset, exercises, recipes. It's all there. So well worth investing your time and a bit of cost. It's not too expensive. It's on Amazon, so get it and let us know how you get on. And remember also to book in your free discovery call with us. It only takes about 15-20 minutes. We can give you some tips and to customize our recommendations also to your existing lifestyle. So I hope you found this video useful. Remember again to give us a thumbs up, and just remember, if you do want to get your eyes checked, you can also come to us for a full consultation. We'll take photos like this. You can actually also have a copy of the photos, digital copies of the photos as well, and you can see for yourself what the state of your health is. Thank you.